It's another beautiful morning on Long Island, and a bunch of the guys are rallying to Pennsylvania. I'm gonna be riding in that yellow Pista, the 488 Pista. What a beast that thing is. So it should be a fun day. Got the 720S Spider here, 600 LT Spider, 570S. Got some good cars here already. We've got the Grigio Lynx Huracan Evo Coupe. And the RS is actually in the same color with red calipers. It's a nice duo. Nice two-car solution. Look how menacing that car looks. I love those headlights. GT2 RS has arrived.
I got a condom for you. I got a condom for you, Ron.
West, Service Road. Then keep left to I-495 West toward New York.
Quite a drive. Joe is a great driver. That Pista ride was insane. And we were leading the pack most of the time with this GT3 RS. We saw some of the 600 LT. We kind of saw the 570S. This just joined us, this Aventador S Coupe. That is sick.
Nice, nice.
Performante showed up after taking the wrong exit. Oh, I guess he did too. Huracan Evo.
Let's go.
Now that's how you make an entrance. Supercar Shar in his blue Nila Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. We got the GT2 RS McLaren GT, 600 LT Spider. Man, I've seen this one before, but I love it. I'll never get sick of it. Some Porsches pulled up.
We got a lot of cars today.
I know.
Good turnout.
Use the right lane to exit right to Farview Avenue, Paramus. Use the left lane to turn left to State Route 17 North. Turn left to State Route 17 North. In 1.5 miles, exit 169 on I-80 towards Saddle Brook, Pat.
There he is. My bad. Sal said I'm wrong.
So we're at this waypoint to let all the cars regroup. So I think most of us are here. The Urus, the Porsches, got the GT2 RS, the Pista, the Performantes, GT3 RS, McLaren GT, SVJ, Aventador S, Turbo S, 600 LT Spider, and the 570S. And can't forget the Urus. So this Performante looks matte black, but it's actually matte brown. How sick is that? Such a rare color. Roscoe in the GT3, another 911.
Turn right on State Route 23 North.
still got no plates. That's
Oh,
why.
damn. It's the second time I've seen Roscoe pulled over this month.
This month?
Yeah. What's up? What's up, Ron? The rest of the crew is finally here. There was like a 5-minute delay between when we got here to Mountain Creek and then when they just showed up. I love seeing all these amazing supercars together. My favorite one here is the SVJ Roadster. The GT2 RS is great too. Of course, the Pista is amazing. This thing is a beast on the road. 710 horsepower, 211 mile per hour top speed. It's just insane. Then we've got the Performante, the Aventador S, GT3 RS, so many other amazing cars. But Joe knows how to lead the pack, so that's why we're always in front. Or mostly in front, because I know Roscoe is in front of us for a little bit, but we tend to lead the pack most of the time, which is great. I think they want us to leave.
Did I scare you?
Oh, you're driving the RS? A little bit, but I didn't think you'd really hit me. Yeah, the mountain bikers definitely race. That sounds amazing. Damn.
Turn right on Lake
Love that guy.
What'd he do?
Say, oh, sorry, my bad.
It's like a roller coaster. I hear the SVJ. I'm so excited right now. Here we go. Oh my God. so good together. Say what's up to the vlog, Ron.
We're here, Supercar Sunday Drive Club.
Hold on. Gas station. Gas station.
Turn right on Wayne Road.
Now we're all filling up because, as you guys know, supercars are very, very thirsty. That's one of my favorites right there. The Aventador, fill focus.
It's completely.
There we go.
It's completely empty.
Go fast enough to fill a lot of those.
17 gallons to fill the Pista up.
A little bit of gas went on my pants.
Really?
Now it's gonna stink in here.
Oh man. Oh man, the cops with the lights on. Who's he pulling over? Maybe the blue car that like passed? I feel like it might be the blue car.
He's gonna try and find the lead car.
So the cop is all the way in front, setting a pace for us. How fast are we going?
20.
20 miles an hour is
We
how.
normally do 60.
Yes, is how slow we're going. All the way up there, in front of Dan in the Aventador. Wow.